This is not acceptable. That is not what a liquid eyeliner should look like. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie. If you are here to see an unboxing of the box by Fashionsta, then you are in the right place. This is a brand new subscription for me. This is the first box I've ever received, and I'm actually a little confused. I placed the order Saturday, which would be February the 1st. Today is February the 3rd, so my question is this the January box? Or did I already get the February box? So we are going to dig in and find out. This is the box, which is called the box. Clever, right? This is a $24.99 per month subscription, and you get 5 to 6 full-size products. Let's dig in. This is what the inside of the box looks like. There's a card on top, which has pricing and descriptions. This is what the inside of the box looks like. It has tissue paper and some lovely black filler. I already see a product that I noticed in a January unboxing, so I believe this may be a January box. Let me put my glasses on so I don't struggle reading. This is Blackhead Steam Pore Pack and Pore Original Pack by Caolion, or Caolion is the name of the company. Second item is by Luci Metalit. This is a mask highlighter moisturizer treatment. The next product is CLE Multi Cream, which is a rich and luxurious multifunctional cream infused with calming Palo Santo essential oil and extract for moisturizing skin. So it's a moisturizer. Next item is Luna by Luna. And this, I believe, is a lip oil. Yes, I remember from another unboxing. This is clear. It has a sweet smell to it. Alright, the next item is by Bang Beauty. And this is, I believe, a lip product. Yes, this is a lip pencil. In pink. Well, that's the color I'm calling it. Let's read the card to find out the actual color. Lip Crayon. This long-wearing lip crayon delivers high pigment, rich color that lasts. It locks in hydration, leaving lips soft, long after wear. Does it say the color? It does not. Oh. Let's use the glasses and see if we can't read. Kiss Me. There's something about when lip products, the names are something like Kiss Me or 90s nostalgia that tells you absolutely nothing about the color. Leave your thoughts below. Do you prefer a lipstick to be called like soft mauve or cherry red, so you kind of get an idea of what the color is, or do you like the when it's named something just random? All right, next item. Oh, the bane of all beauty boxes, the black liquid eyeliner. This is by Girlactik. There is no roller ball. Ooh, it has a very nice long, is this felt or, ooh, that is very black. Now the question is, will it run? So let's give it a couple seconds to lock down. Uh-oh. So with this one, you're gonna have to, let's do another test. And I'm gonna let this sit and dry while I look at the next product. The last item is a palette by IBY Beauty called City Limits. Let's take a look. Oh, those are nice colors. Comes with a mirror. That's what the palette looks like. So there are 12 shades, and let me do some swatches. It's a nice mix of shimmers and mattes. So I swatched the top row. Swatch the top row. I'm not sure if you can see the colors. Alright, let's recap. We got an eyeshadow palette, a moisturizer, a pore treatment duo, a sleeping mask slash 20-minute treatment, a lip pencil, a liquid eyeliner. Oh, let's go back and test. So here's the second line. Let's see. Oh, no. After drying down, the second one smudges as well. I do not recommend that you wear this in the rain or rub your eyes. And then we also got a lip oil. Let's give this a try. What's the difference between a lip oil and a lip gloss? To me, they feel the same. Not sticky. Doesn't have a taste either. Alright, so let's look at the pricing. This cream is $32. The Metalit is $15. The eyeshadow palette is $20. The lip oil is $18. The lip crayon is $18. The eyeliner is $20. $20? No. The Pore Mask Duo is $16. The total retail value of the box is $139. What do you think? Were the products received in the box by Fashionsta in the month of January 2020, was that worth $24.99? Leave your thoughts below. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. See you next time.